the bustling town of Frank, Alberta, located at the foot of Turtle Mountain. The year is 1903. Little did this community of 600 people know that on the morning of April 29th at approximately 4 a.m., the mountain would move. The slide lasted 1.5 minutes and covered an area of 3 square kilometers, with a depth of between 14 and 45 meters. There is approximately 44 million cubic meters of rock. To put that into perspective, you could build a wall from one end of Canada to the other, 1 meter wide and 6 meters high. More than 90 lives were lost in this slide, and very few bodies have ever been recovered. The discovery of coal in this area in the late 1800s caused many communities to build up in this area. Many of those coal mines are still here, but abandoned. Several miners were also trapped in a mine located here. However, they all managed to get out after digging their way up through another vein of coal. Within the last 2 decades, scientists have been monitoring this mountain, and there is evidence growing that the south peak, shown here, is going to slide at some point in the near future. A sizable fissure has opened up at the top, and that fissure is growing as the years go on. Scientists don't anticipate that that slide will be as vast as the one that happened in 1903. However, it will be sizable, and this area will have to be evacuated in order to be safe. There are reports that people who lived up to 200 kilometers away from this location heard the slide when it came down. That must have been an incredible roar.